Some might call this the ultimate barn find. 20 Ferraris previously lost to time. They were found in Florida, untouched. The cars are in this condition because the barn that they were stored in fell on the cars. They tried to recreate this look in this Monterey display. The star of the show, the 1954 Ferrari 500 Mondial Spider Series 1, sold for $1.8 million. The second Mondial built and one of 13 examples originally completed with Pininfarina Spider coachwork. This car's racing career includes the Mille Miglia, Targa Florio, and Imola Grand Prix. 1965 Ferrari 275 GTB 6-seat alloy body by Scalgetti sold for $3.3 million. It was the first long-nosed example equipped with an alloy body and was shown at the 1965 Turin Motor Show. This 1965 Ferrari 275 GTS is the 19th of only 200 examples built. It sold for a little over $1 million. 1978 Ferrari 512 BB Competizione is one of 3 built for Le Mans for 1978 and sold for $1.4 million. 1976 Ferrari 308 GTB Bertonesina sold for $78,400. 1964 Ferrari 250 GTL Berlinetto Musso by Scalgetti sold for $900,000. 1971 Ferrari 365 GTB4 Daytona Berlinetta sold for $500,000. A close-up of its flat tire. 1969 Ferrari 365 GT 2+2 sold for $117,000. 1972 Ferrari 365 GTC4 sold for $151,000. 1956 Ferrari 510 Super America Coupe Series 1 sold for $2.8 million. The 1956 Ferrari 250 GT Coupe Speciale by Pininfarina sold for $1.6 million. It is one of 4 famous one-off 250 GT examples by Pininfarina during 1956. The amount of time and money needed to restore these Ferraris back to factory conditions is mind-boggling. One wonders, will some of these cars that have been sold, will they stay in this original barn find condition, or will the new owner restore them to their previous glory? You might also like to watch some of my other Monterey Car Week videos. Have a great day.